Welcome to Part 14 of 500 Most Common English Words for Adults, words 326 to 350. More essential daily words with clear American pronunciation and real examples. Repeat after me. You're advancing fast. Word 326, school, pronounced school, noun for education place. Repeat, school, school. Example, go to school. Word 327, father, pronounced father, noun for male parent. Repeat, father, father. Example, my father. Word 328, keep, pronounced keep, verb for retain. Repeat, keep, keep. Example, keep going. Word 329, tree, pronounced tree, noun for plant. Repeat, tree, tree. Example, tall tree. Word 330, never, pronounced never, adverb for not at any time. Repeat, never, never. Example, never give up. Word 331, start, pronounced start, verb for begin. Repeat, start, start. Example, start now. Word 332, city, pronounced city, noun for urban area. Repeat, city, city. Example, big city. Word 333, earth, pronounced earth, noun for planet. Repeat, earth, earth. Example, on earth. Word 334, eye, pronounced eye, noun for vision organ. Repeat, eye, eye. Example, keep an eye. Word 335, light, pronounced light, noun for illumination. Repeat, light, light. Example, turn on light. Word 336, thought, pronounced thought, noun for idea or past of think. Repeat, thought, thought. Example, deep thought. Word 337, head, pronounced head, noun for top of body. Repeat, head, head. Example, head of department. Word 338, under, pronounced under, preposition for below. Repeat, under, under. Example, under pressure. Word 339, story, pronounced story, noun for narrative. Repeat, story, story. Example, success story. Word 340, saw, pronounced saw, past of see. Repeat, saw, saw. Example, I saw it. Word 341, left, pronounced left, past of leave or direction. Repeat, left, left. Example, turn left. Word 342, don't, pronounced don't, contraction for do not. Repeat, don't, don't. Example, don't worry. Word 343, few, pronounced few, determiner for small number. Repeat, few, few. Example, a few days. Word 344, while, pronounced while, conjunction for during. Repeat, while, while. Example, while waiting. Word 345, along, pronounced along, preposition for with. Repeat, along, along. Example, come along. Word 346, might, pronounced might, modal for possibility. Repeat, might, might. Example, might rain. Word 347, close, pronounced close, verb for shut. Repeat, close, close. Example, close the door. Word 348, something, pronounced something, pronoun for thing. Repeat, something, something. Example, something new. Word 349, seem, pronounced seem, verb for appear. Repeat, seem, seem. Example, seem happy. Word 350, next, pronounced next, adjective for following. Repeat, next, next. Example, next week. Fantastic! You've mastered words 326 to 350. Excellent progress. Subscribe for part 15 tomorrow and keep mastering English.